What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today I'm going to introduce you to our little friend, Eduardo. He's a lobster. What are we making?
So today we're making Maine style lobster rolls. It's a nice summer recipe. Makes you feel like you're out on the ocean, the salt in the air, taking it all in, the sandy beaches.
It's going to be delicious. We're going to marinate them, grill them up. That's not a usually way you do it. You kind of poach them or whatever. So we're going to grill it this time, marinate them, make the nice mayo dressing for them, put them on a beautiful brioche top cut bun, and eat them.
Devour. All right, let's get into it.
Let's get into it. I'll miss you, little buddy.
All right, so we're gonna give Eddie here a quick, painless death. This is the most humane way to do it. So, right back here, there's a little line. So we're just gonna plunge the knife right through there. Quick, sharp, confidence motion right through the brain, and just, that's done. There might be a little bit of twitching after. That's just the reflex coming out through the nervous system. All right, so we're just gonna do a quick motion here. 3, 2, 1.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at him.
So as you see, the nervous system's still twitching out here a little bit, but that's completely natural, it's normal. This is the most humane way to do it, opposed to, boiling them alive. Who wants to really be boiled alive? Would you, chef?
No, it's a little medieval.
For lobster marinade, we're gonna take 1 sprig of tarragon, give her a little chiffonade, 1 clove of garlic, lemon zest, lemon juice, and just a little bit of red chili brunoise. Olive oil, and cracked pepper. There's our marinade. We're gonna utilize half our marinade right now and reserve the other half for our grilling to base it over the lobster on the half shell. All right, time to transfer our lobster over to the grill. Season gently with kosher salt. Give a nice little base. Oh yeah. It smells amazing.
Right there, that little piece of green right there, that's a tamale. That's the most sought after part of the lobster. Some people love it, some people hate it, but that's when you rip your lobster tail off and you suck out all that green goodness, that's what people go for. We're definitely gonna keep that inside our lobster rolls.
All right, we're just gonna kiss our flesh here on the grill for about 30 seconds. Just get a little char, a little kiss from the grill. Look at those lobsters.
Well, the lobster's finishing cooking. I'm gonna start doing the knife cuts for the inside of the lobster roll. I'm gonna start by finely slicing 1/2 of a shallot. We're actually gonna quickly just sweat down the shallots and throw them into our mixture. Butter's melted down, time to add the shallots. Deglaze our pan with a little white wine. And we're gonna cut the heat and throw them in the bowl with the rest of our vegetables. I'm gonna mince up 1 clove of garlic. Throw that in the bowl. Next I'm gonna do a fine dice on 3 stalks of celery. I'm gonna add the celery to our bowl. Next I'm gonna siphon out a few tablespoons of parsley, roll it up to a ball, run my knife through it, throw that in the bowl. I also have some celery leaves here. I'm gonna siphon out them as well. Let's say about a tablespoon. They're gonna give us a nice strong celery flavor without adding more celery. I got 2 tablespoons worth of dill here. Just gonna give that a rough chop. Add that to the mix. A little dash of fresh lemon zest. And then the juice of half a lemon. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm gonna add 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. And give it a little mixy mix.
Those frisky chicks.
Jeez! I'm gonna add in our shallots since they've cooled down now.
Our lobster just came off the grill. We're gonna chill in the fridge.
Time to break down these lobsters. Start by twisting off half the tail here. I'm gonna scoop out all the good stuff. You know, the tamale. Right into our bowl. I'm gonna rip off the claws. Gonna open up the claws with the back of a knife. Crack them. Break them off. Kind of twist off the front knuckle here. And wiggle out yourself a nice piece of claw meat. I'm gonna cut out the rest of the claw meat here with a pair of scissors.
Your luck at all is slip out.
Yeah, if you do it right, you get it all out in one piece. I'm just gonna set all my shells to the side because we're gonna use them for something special.
For the legs, just snip them off, get a rolling pin, and just squeeze out little leg meat. A lot of work, but the reward is delicious.
I'm just gonna cut our lobster up into big chunks. We're gonna start assembling our lobster rolls. I'm just gonna throw this in our bowl.
So one pinnacle thing I believe in is utilizing every ingredient we got from Eddie here, and just, you know, nothing goes in the garbage. So we're gonna save all these bones here and access cartilage and meat, and this can make an amazing lobster stock for a risotto. But in this case, stay tuned for our next video, or upcoming video. We're gonna make a lobster bisque out of Eddie here. It's gonna be absolutely delicious.
We're just gonna toast up our top cut hot dog buns, get them golden brown on each side, and start making our lobster rolls.
I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of our mixture here to our lobster meat. Just blend it all together, nice and chilled. Let's do a little taste here for seasoning. A little bit of cracked pepper. Alright, time to bust these guys open. Nice and steamy. Add our mix nice and liberally in there. Stuff those buns up. That's what I'm talking about. Delicious. Or should I say, delicious. That's the worst thing I've ever said in my whole life. We got some spicy dill pickle chips. Just gonna shred these all up on top there. Oh yeah. Nice little crunch factor. A little bit of texture. Oh yeah. And just a little garnish here, a little bit of dill. You know, everyone's always about those IG posts now, right? So you gotta make sure your presentation's on point. There we go. Time to even plate it up and devoured. Maine style lobster rolls.
Time to dig in.
Damn.
Oh yeah, I'm eating this one. First bite, first impression.
Man.
Wow.
Wow.
The chip.
Eddie.
Eddie, rah, rah, rah.
Wow. That is that's phenomenal. Just delicious. Wow. So bright.
The
so
lobster
vivid.
cooked perfectly. The acidity. The nice fresh herbs in there. This is delicious. Very simple recipe to make.
Wow.
If you're looking for lobster rolls, try them like this.
Thanks, guys.
See you next Saturday. Peace.